Welcome back to the channel. So we want to show you guys how the space looked like before construction began on the new bathroom. This is exactly the way it looked, desk and all. So we have two videos already uploaded showing the different stages of construction of this bathroom. So you guys, please take a look at these videos if you have not seen them. And whilst you're at it, please like the videos and subscribe to our channel if you have not yet subscribed. Now, here you're seeing a little bit of how the bathroom is coming along, how it's coming to be this beautiful bathroom. So my husband actually had to remove this window because it was not installed correctly. So he removed the window, reinstalled it the correct way, and he had to do some repairs around it, repair the walls, and just do some smoothing up before he has to paint again, because the bathroom was already beautifully painted after the initial phase of this bathroom. The shower part is what was done is later. It's like a whole year later. So also because we like the shower head, the chrome shower head, we decided to change the accessories, or have the accessories match the chrome shower head. So for the faucet, it was like a dark color, so we installed a new faucet. Now, as for the shower door, in our previous video, we had entitled it, the previous video about this bathroom, we had entitled it The Missing Piece. So this shower door was the missing piece, and we absolutely love it. So that's about it, you guys. This bathroom is beautiful. So the only thing he has to do, we think it's a little bit too dark in this area, right where you're seeing when you enter into the bathroom. So he wants to put a light at the top there, and right in this area, right here at the top there, he has to put the vent for the air condition. That's about it. And in case it's showing on the camera that the trim around the door is not painted, that's true. He has to paint that and the door. But other than that, it's a beautiful bathroom.